Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we will start our new session and in new software, that is AutoCAD 2017 version. In the top bar you can see here, this is our first session in AutoCAD 2D that I will show you how to use all the commands here that you are seeing it. And first of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my friends. I hope you've seen this, and I will show you how to use the shortcut keys for these commands. So let's go to make it. Here select here AutoCAD 2017 icon that you are seeing it. Go to here. For opening it takes some time. Yeah. Now here go to start drawing. Select this. So our AutoCAD graphical user interface has been appeared here. As you see here, this is GUI, that means graphical user interface. Here in the top, this is our commands section that you can see. This is our menu bar, and this is tool command bar, and this is a command bar. In this we will enter here some commands. So our first command will be press here UN, that is units, and press enter key. Select here units, so our precision will be 0.0 and length type will be decimal. Set here decimal only. And units to scale in inserted context will be mm, that is millimeter, and click OK. Now our units has been set up, and for the zoom in and zoom out I will press here Z, that is zoom, enter. Here it shows all the center, dynamic, extends, previous, scale, window, object. If I want to select all, then press here A, enter. Now it regenerating our sketch here, regenerating it, so that it will be easier to control our drawing and to see our drawing object that we are creating it. Now select here circle command, or you can type C, enter, that is circle, and I will select it from any point of snap grip. If you want the horizontal or vertical line in 90-degree direction, so I will press here F8. Or directly I will select here in this icon, that is ortho mode. Now you can see it is linearly moved. First I will make 50 mm diameter, so I will choose here in this D, enter. Now it selects diameter and make 50 mm dia. Now again I want one circle here, so press here spacebar. Select here center point of circle, and now I want radius, so here enter only 35 because it shows in command bar circle specify radius of circle. So I will make here directly 35 mm radius. press enter. Now we have created our circle. Now for line, I will choose here L enter, or you can select here directly only, but I have entered the line. So select here midpoint of this concentric circles and make the dimension will be 75 mm, height, escape. Now again I want to create one circles here, so press here C enter and select the center point, this. Now again press D enter, 10 mm radius. See, here we have created. Now again enter C, select here center point, and here radius will be 15 mm, radius of circle. See, it is created. Adjust your figure drawing, and here again press L enter, select this end point. This dimension will be 75 divided by 2, that is this we have got. That is 17.5 mm, and here make 25 divided by 2, that is 12.5 mm. Now again we have to make here line, so make here 75 mm and again we will make here one line, so make 25 mm length. Here also we will make it same as it is, so make 75 mm. Now here we have to make some changes, so make here L enter and select this intersection point that you will see here, it shows. So select this intersection point and make this tangent and press right click, enter. Now I will select here again line, so again select line command, press L enter, select a intersection point and join this and make here tangent, press right click, enter. Now we have to just trim it, so here it is a trim, select your trim command and press enter. Select those regions that we don't want, so I am deleting this that I don't want. Again select here trim, press enter. We don't want this also, this arcs. This will not enter because this is different line, and this also. Here it shows one symbol that it will not trim it. So press here enter. Now select all the lines without pressing Ctrl button and delete this that we don't want. So I will delete these lines selected. And our sketch is finished. Our drawing is finished. Only just I have to give here dimension. So here you can see this is a dimension icon. I will scroll down this, and here you can see radius and diameter also. So select here diameter, select this, make here this 10 mm diameter. At one time we will select it. Again I choose radius. Now for linear I will choose this. Select this point, concentric point circle to this intersection. Make here 75 mm, and here also select this point and this. It gives me 75 mm. Now select this point and this. Now all the dimensions has been given here. This is a simple drawing that I have made. I hope you like it. So please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching it.